Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're showing you some healthy snacks and we're going to taste them in front of you guys. So it's important. So we ordered this yesterday from Amazon, and you know, it's important to stay healthy at this time because like there's germs everywhere, so we need to have healthy snacks and stuff. So here's some pineapple chunks. So we're going to taste this. Look. Okay, it's like a Ziploc. This is how it looks like.
Does it have sugar?
All of these don't have sugar and preservatives, so it's healthy.
And all of these don't have sugar.
How do you like it?
That's really good.
But the lollipops are
Zainab,
different.
you want to try?
No. Let's go. Let me show these to you. Look at these.
What's
that's
that?
a gum.
It's a gum.
So that pineapple was really good. I give it a 5 out of 5.
Can I eat one?
Not yet.
Oh.
We have to finish this. So here we have some dried organic tropical mix. So let's open this. All like Ziplocs.
Like Ziplocs.
Open. Ah! It's so hard to open. Can you help me?
Opening challenge.
Stop tapping. That's really hard to open.
Yeah, that one is really hard.
This pack has
You can
bananas,
try something
mangoes,
else.
and pineapples. Yeah, it is. Just saying it has banana, mango, and pineapples. So, and they're all
Can I
dry.
eat this? Can I eat
Oh.
this now?
Not yet. You have to. You
I
can try
forgot the
lollipop.
scissors. Forgot to get the scissors.
Yeah.
I need
This is one of my favorite snacks out of here.
Lollipop.
It's like a pineapple plus passion fruit little like pack. So I'm gonna try it.
You can keep it. I open it. You can try it later. Yep.
Oh, you opened it. So this
What's
is
that?
mango. I'm gonna try banana.
Zainab, you want to try banana?
No.
Pineapple.
Smells good.
Can you open it?
And banana is really good too. I love this.
Are they soft?
Can you open it?
Yeah. Come on, I love these snacks. Why is it so hard to open? Oh, I found a little hole. So this is how it looks
Oh, I
like.
like this one. Guys, look at this.
Which one is that? Can you show on it?
Guys, look at
Passion
this
fruit
one. Look at this one. It's so yummy and tasty.
What
Yeah.
flavor is that, Zainab?
Gum watermelon lollipop. That one is tasty.
It's the best. I want to keep eating this.
Are they soft? Chewy?
The best.
Hey guys, this is so tasty.
I want more. I'm gonna finish all of these in like one day. If my mom doesn't hide it from me. And finally, we have
Yes. Finally.
Simply Gum. It's like an organic gum. Fresh. It's like the brown gum, like no sugar, no preservatives. just like these other snacks. So I'm gonna put the opened ones on the side so I can finish them.
What is that? What is that? What?
Bye.
Buy? What is buy?
Bye snacks.
Buy snacks. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
These. Can you bring the lollipop bag? Thank you. Get this. And so let's
What?
open the gum pack. So,
Where should I put this?
oh yeah, I forgot this. So here we have peppermint, cinnamon, coffee. I don't know how that tastes like, but
I don't
ginger.
like to take
Ginger, okay.
coffee.
What's fennel? I have no idea what fennel is actually.
Okay,
And
why
then
it's
maple.
upside down? Why those are upside down?
So we're gonna close our eyes and try it after we open
Yeah.
packs.
Oh, you're gonna try to guess what flavor is that?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna try this.
Wait. It's like sticky.
Looks sticky.
Why
Keep
is
them up. Keep them up.
Everything is so hard to open today.
Yeah.
Is this like an opening challenge?
Opening challenge.
I feel like I have bad luck today.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
make
got
sure you
this.
don't drop them.
They're all brown. Like
Let me see. Oh. This is how they look like.
so. I'm gonna actually put some on here.
Look what they have. They have posts.
Okay, let me leave these here. Open this.
Okay, so this,
This is meat.
this,
They all look kind of the same, right?
fennel. So we're
I don't
gonna
want
just.
to try
Can you
these.
check this one?
It smells bad. I mean, it smells some
Different? Different?
Yes, and
That's why it's called challenge.
I can eat this. The gums are looks like this.
To I think we didn't do maple. I think. Okay, so we're gonna try them. Okay, so mix it up. Okay, I'm gonna try to guess what flavor this is.
You don't have to close your eyes. They all look the same.
Oh yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm not getting anything yet. It doesn't taste like wait. It tastes like maple.
Maple?
Yeah, there's a maple syrup.
How would the maple taste?
Mmm.
Which one did you try?
This one is the yummiest. I
Which
didn't know
one?
what it
What
tastes like.
flavor is that?
Yeah, we should definitely
Try to
maple.
guess.
I don't know.
Okay. Next. Oh, I can already. I don't know. It's coffee or something.
I don't know too.
Or fennel. I don't even know how fennel tastes like, but.
Mm-mm.
Next.
You have to truly hard to get the flavor. Yeah, I feel like it's cinnamon.
Look at mine. It's so brown.
Ew.
Ew.
Yeah, it tastes like cinnamon.
Okay.
You can get my lollipop.
And now I'm gonna try this. This
The
looks
last
like,
one?
yeah, I don't know. Maybe mint. Wait.
Maybe Zainab tried the mint one.
One was tastier.
Which one?
Like one, I don't know what is it.
Probably mint.
Mint? Mint was yum. I like mint. So
Was
good.
it spicy a little bit? I think this is mint.
Huh?
I think this is mint.
Oh, the one that you just tried?
These all kind of look like.
Mint, choose which one is mint.
This is mint.
Which one? Which one, Amit? Amit, which one is
Do you
mint?
like it?
Yeah, I didn't taste
How about
it.
the texture?
I think
How about the texture?
Amit,
of
which
the
one
gum?
is mint?
they all kind of taste. Oh, I got fennel.
Amit,
If you taste it a little longer.
is this mint? What?
This is
what?
mint.
Oh, I like
So
mint.
you have the wrap that you can use after you
Is
finish
mint
chewing it.
tasty?
Can you take one and show us?
Amit, is mint
Oh, yeah.
tasty?
Yeah.
So if you're done, we can just.
Yep.
Oh,
Wow.
I like these ones.
These people, they're smart.
Amit, do you like these?
You gotta invent something like that.
It's a mint.
So this is fennel.
Amit, which one is tasty?
Okay, which one do you think is your favorite now?
I think
Amit, which one is the
I mean,
tastier?
I don't even know. I think
Which one is the tastier? Is this tastier?
they all tasted like a little the same.
Mm-hmm.
So I couldn't really tell which flavor was which.
I can't wait to taste them too.
So, but overall, the taste, the chewing, the method, it's a 5 out of 5.
I'll put this to the ground right next to me.
I think it's a 5 out of 5 overall.
Okay.
So I think this is it for today, guys. If you like this video, click the subscribe button, click the notification to see when I post a new video. So we'll see you all next time.
Bye, Zainab. Zainab, bye.